Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this candy butterfly fish in Fish It. So the candy butterfly fish, here I've already caught one with a fairy dust mutation. And for the location, you can get it on the ocean because it is one of the rare category fish in the ocean in here, this one. So for it can be caught in any time and also any weather. So for the location, you can just go fish anywhere in the ocean, but you can also get it while you go to the megalodon hunt location or maybe the worm hunt location. Just try your luck to get this epic rare tire fish. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the